This is the 52-inch Hampton Bay Sidlow ceiling fan. No, Sidlow ceiling fan, which is installed in my my nephew's bedroom. It was installed when they moved in. It was in polish. No. Whatever brass is it? I don't know. Was it? Maybe. This is installed in here. There's a Hampton Bay pole chain. You can see. Okay, I can show you 3 speeds. Now I'm gonna show you the light real quick. I'm gonna do fan low. They used a table fan instead. Medium. And there's high. I'm gonna show you the light. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Bye bye.